Today, sir, we'll discuss about the module of IMO resolution, specifies the requirement for the provision, protection, and updating the electronic navigational data service used in ICDIS. The objective is to ensure that navigational charts are official, authentic, accurate, secure, and up-to-date, thereby supporting safe navigation and compliance with SOLAS Chapter 5, Regulation 19 and 27. Number 1. Provision of ends. Paragraph the ends, including electronic navigational charts used in ICDIS, must be issued by or under the authority of a government authorized hydrographic office or another relevant government institution. The data must conform to the applicable International Hydrographic Organization or IHO standards. Purpose: this requirement guarantees that only official hydrographic information is used for navigation, ensuring reliability and legal compliance. Adequate and up-to-date database. Paragraph 4.2. The ICDIS system database shall be adequate for intended voyage and be kept up to date to comply with SOLAS Regulation 5 to 19 and Version 5 to 27. Implication for navigators. Before departure, officer must verify that all ENC cells required for the voyage are installed and updated. Sailing with outdated chart by result in non-compliance with SOLAS requirements. Protection of database integrity. Paragraph 4.3. Performance standard requires that users cannot alter the official end or that system database derived from it. The display of ends information must remain compliant with IHO display and interoperability standards. Importance: prevent accidental or intentional modification of official chart data. Preserve the authenticity and integrity of navigational information. Official updating of ends. Paragraph 4.4. ICDIS shall accept official chart updates supplied according to IHO standards. Automatically apply this update to the system database. Perform updates without interrupting the chart currently being displayed. Personal significance. Weekly ENC updates received through approved chart distributors can be loaded efficiently. The navigator can continue monitoring the voyage while updates are installed. 5. Manual updates. Paragraph 4.5. ICDIS must also allow manual entry of updates, for example, urgent notices to mariners or temporary navigation warnings. A verification process before accepting manual entries. Manual updates, to be clear, distinguishable from official chart information. Purpose: allow rapid incorporation of urgent navigational information while preventing confusion between official ENC data and manually added information. Update record. Paragraph 4.6. ICDIS shall maintain an update log record and the date, time each update was applied. Written update records until they are replaced by a new edition of ends. Importance: provides an audit trail, enable inspectors and navigators to verify chart maintenance history. 7. Review updates. Paragraph 4.7. The mariner must be able to display applied updates, review their contents, confirm that all updates have been successfully incorporated into the system database. Benefit: assess bridge officers in confirming that no critical update has been missed before commencing a voyage. 8. Data protection. Paragraph 4.8. ICDIS shall accept ends protected under the IHO data position scheme such as S63 for S57 ENCS and relevant S100 protection mechanism. Purpose: to ensure that authenticity of chart data protect against unauthorized modification, corruption, or piracy of electronic navigational charts. In conclusion, Module A of IMO resolution establish the performance standards for the provision and updating of this database It requires that electronic navigational data be visual, accurate, secure, and continuously updated while ensuring that database integrity is protected and that navigators can verify update status at any time. These requirements support safe navigation, improve the reliability of ECDIS, and ensure compliance with SOLAS and ISO standards.